Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to be here today and speak at International Women's Day 2023, organized by Women Techmakers Vizag. I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me to speak, and I want to acknowledge the amazing work they are doing in providing visibility, community, and resources for women in technology. Today, we celebrate the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women worldwide. On this day, we also acknowledge the challenges that women face and the work that still needs to be done to achieve gender equality. Women have made significant contributions to various fields, including technology, and it's important to highlight those contributions. Women have been an integral part of the history of technology, and their contributions have been significant but often overlooked. For example, many people know that Charles Babbage is considered the father of the computer, but do you know that Ada Lovelace, a mathematician and writer, is credited as the world's first computer programmer? She was the first to recognize that the machine had applications beyond pure calculation, and published the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine, the analytical engine. This invention laid the groundwork for modern-day computers. However, women's contributions to technology have not always been acknowledged or celebrated. Historically, women have faced significant barriers in entering the technology field. These barriers have included social and cultural expectations, a lack of access to education and training, and discrimination in the workplace. As a result, women have been underrepresented in technology, and this underrepresentation is particularly evident in AI and other emerging technologies, where women hold just a small percentage of the jobs. The lack of diversity in technology can lead to biased systems, and this is where women's equal participation becomes essential. Biases in AI systems can have significant negative consequences, and it's essential to address these biases to ensure that AI systems are fair and equitable. For example, a facial recognition system trained on a biased dataset may misidentify people of color or women, leading to false arrests or other negative consequences. Inclusive teams that represent a diverse range of perspectives and experiences are more likely to create AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and representative of all users. Now, let's talk about AI and large language models like GPT-3. These models are changing the world, and women have been a significant part of this journey. For example, Fei Lai, a Chinese-American computer scientist, is known for her research in computer vision and co-creating the ImageNet dataset, which helped to fuel the AI revolution. Meanwhile, Emily Bender, a professor at the University of Washington, is a leading expert in multilingual natural language processing, which is essential for building large language models. However, despite these contributions, women remain underrepresented in technology. This underrepresentation is particularly evident in AI and other emerging technologies, where women hold just a small percentage of the jobs. The lack of diversity in technology can lead to biased systems, and this is where women's equal participation becomes essential. Equal participation of women in creating better technologies and applications is not only a moral imperative, but also an economic one. Diverse perspectives and experiences lead to better innovation and problem solving. Inclusive teams produce better results, and it's been shown time and time again that diverse teams are more productive, creative, and innovative. So, what can we do to promote women's participation in technology? There are several strategies that can be effective in addressing this issue. Encouraging girls and young women to pursue STEM education. Many girls and young women may not consider STEM careers because of stereotypes or a lack of female role models. Encouraging girls and young women to pursue STEM education and careers can help to address this issue. Addressing bias in the recruitment process. Companies should ensure that their recruitment processes are fair and unbiased. This can include eliminating biased language in job descriptions and ensuring that diverse interview panels are used. Providing mentorship and support for women in technology. Mentorship programs and support networks can help women in technology to feel supported and encouraged. These programs can also provide opportunities for networking and professional development. Promoting women's leadership in technology. Promoting women's leadership in technology can help to address the underrepresentation of women in the field. This can include promoting women to leadership positions and providing opportunities for women to speak at conferences and events. Addressing the gender pay gap. The gender pay gap is a significant issue in technology and needs to be addressed. Companies should ensure that they are paying women fairly and equitably for their work. Building an inclusive workplace culture. Creating an inclusive workplace culture is essential to promoting women's equal participation in technology. This can include promoting flexible work arrangements, providing resources for parents, promoting diversity and inclusion, and providing training on unconscious bias. Addressing harassment and discrimination. Addressing harassment and discrimination in the workplace is essential to creating an inclusive workplace culture. Companies should have clear policies and procedures for addressing harassment and discrimination, as well as providing training on respectful workplace behavior. Supporting women entrepreneurs in technology. Supporting women entrepreneurs in technology can help to address the underrepresentation of women in the field. This can include providing access to funding and resources, as well as mentoring and support networks. Advocating for policy changes. Advocating for policy changes can help to address systemic issues that contribute to the underrepresentation of women in technology. This can include advocating for paid family leave, affordable childcare, and policies that promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace. By addressing these issues, we can work towards a more equitable and diverse technology industry. It's essential to recognize the contributions that women have made to technology, from Ada Lovelace to Grace Hopper to the women working today to create new AI systems. Women have been instrumental in shaping the technology industry, and their contributions are essential to creating technologies that work for everyone. In conclusion, women have made significant contributions to technology, including the creation of modern-day computers and large language models like GPT-3. However, women remain underrepresented in technology, particularly in AI and other emerging technologies. It's essential to promote women's equal participation in technology to ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased. Inclusive teams lead to better innovation and problem solving, and it's been shown time and time again that diverse teams are more productive, creative, and innovative. By encouraging girls and young women to pursue STEM education, addressing bias in the recruitment process, providing mentorship and support for women in technology, promoting women's leadership in technology, and addressing the gender pay gap, we can work towards a more equitable and diverse technology industry. Thank you.